In the previous video, we have completed the chapter, the case of a sharp-eyed jeweler. So we came to know that how the ring was stolen, and it was a plan of that American and that lady that has come to uh, get its brooch repaired. But that was presence of mind of William Morris, the jeweler's assistant, that he was able to get the ring in time. Otherwise, if a person who doesn't have this kind of presence of mind and this kind of observation, then that ring would have gone. So students, after completing the chapter, let us take up the exercise. So understanding the story, each statement given below contains a word phrase which makes it false. Underline the wrong word phrase and rewrite the correct statement in the space provided. So students, I have done it for you, but I have done it in a very short manner. You are supposed to write all the statements complete. So the narrator owns the Rainer's jewelry shop. So the word that is wrong is owns. I have underlined it because he was not the owner, he was just the assistant of the jeweler. He was an assistant in jewelry shop. Okay. Then the Rainers sells high priced modern jewelry. So if you remember, they don't sell modern jewelry, they sell antique jewelry that belonged to some prince, some king at one time. So I have written antique over here and I have underlined modern, but you are supposed to write a full sentence in your book. The young woman standing on the opposite side of the Rainers was staring at the displayed jewelry. So I have underlined it, displayed jewelry, because she was not staring at the displayed jewelry. He was staring at the display of Undertaker's shop. Fine. आपको पूरा का पूरा लिखना है ये. Then the narrator showed the American 5 trays of rings in all. So narrator showed the American 4 trays of rings in all. The young woman said she had come to the Rainers to sell her filigree brooch. So she was not there for selling, she was there for getting it repaired. So you are supposed to write full sentence. The young woman hid the flower ring in the right pocket of her purse. So not in the right pocket, that was in the left pocket of her purse. So we have question answers here. I am going to discuss these question answers in the video only. You are supposed to write them afterwards. Answer the following questions in about 30 words each. My hobby is perhaps a little out of the ordinary. What is the narrator's hobby? So his hobby was not ordinary hobby like all the people they used to have. His hobby was observing people. The answer is the narrator's hobby was observing people. Why does he consider it out of the ordinary? So he considers it out of the ordinary because not many people have this hobby of observing others. Okay? Then, why did the narrator find the behavior of the woman standing outside the Rainer strange? So, the narrator found the behavior of the woman standing outside the Rainer strange because she was staring at the urns in which ashes of died people are kept, but her clothes were not matching with what she was staring. Her arrival at this moment struck me as rather strange. Why did the narrator find the young lady's arrival at that point of time strange? He found her arrival strange because he thought if she wanted to get inside our shop, then why she was waiting outside? That is the answer. Do you think the young lady had accidentally dropped the paper in which her brooch was wrapped? If not, why did she do so? No, she had not done it accidentally. She had done it on purpose. So you will write whatever I am speaking. She had not done it accidentally. She had done it on purpose. Why did she do so? Because the American had hid the ring under the counter with chewing gum. So she was supposed to collect that ring. Where did the narrator find the ring from? How did he know it would be there? The narrator found the ring from the pocket of that lady. How did he know it would be there? Because when he was picking up the paper, he joined all the events that happened today. So he came to know about the ring. So students, these questions I'm not going to upload on your Davy website because I have given the answers in the video only. And this C part, interesting one, C and D, you will do it by your own. C and D. In C, what you are supposed to do? William Morris noticed certain things about the American and the young lady that put them under suspicion and finally helped in solving in the mystery of the missing ring. So what you are supposed to write? Observations of the narrator about these two. Suspicious observations. Okay. This is very interesting one. On the basis of your reading of the story, complete the flowchart by filling the correct sequence of events. So here in the blanks you are supposed to write the correct events. Very easy, but very interesting also. Up to here it is. Now E. What impression do you form of William Morris? So this question and these all questions apart from this diary entry, because writing skill, again this is a diary entry and you all know how to write a diary entry, so you will do it by your own. Other questions I will put up in your DAV website. So students, your chapter is completed. So in the next video we will start something new, and till then I hope you will complete your chapter in your book only, because whatever things you are supposed to write in in notebook also, these question B part you are supposed to do in your notebook, and these questions you are supposed to do in your textbook only. So students, other things we will study afterwards. Thank you students, have a nice day.